Hello and welcome to the Nifty View series of videos. I am Sudarshan Sukhani and today is June 22, 2021, Tuesday. The last time we had a talk about the Nifty, I had suggested that there is a trading range of 200 points, and if the Nifty goes below 15,600, we can consider taking a short position or stepping aside, because short positions in an uptrending bullish market may not actually work. But we should not be long. And all short positions should be closed if the Nifty crosses 15,800. Now yesterday the Nifty did go below 15,600, but that was just for a few minutes, so that is not a decisive breakdown. But today morning the index opened with a large gap up, crossed 15,800 effortlessly because the gap itself was above that. So a long position was justified with a stop at 15,700, the midpoint of the trading range. The Nifty went all the way almost to 15,900 and then in the last 1 hour saw a big decline of more than 120 points. So where was it? It went back into the trading range between 600 and 800. Now the Nifty is continuing to be in a trading range, but because it is expanding above 800 and repeatedly going below 600, doing both, I think we have to expand the trading range itself and say that the trading range is between 15,500 and 15,900, which means the 400 point range. While the Nifty is inside this range, it will be choppy, it will do rallies on one day and declines on the other day, and a decisive breakout means that above 15,900 we are buyers and below 15,500 we do not take long positions at least, and we can be short if you want to. What do you do inside this 400 point range, because this can continue for a long time? This becomes difficult because trading ranges by definition are difficult to trade. A range develops because market participants are confused themselves, and so are we. So we should focus mainly on intraday trading, prefer the long side of trading, the buy side rather than the short side. If you see in the first hour, by 10 AM the markets are steady, they are holding their lows, then consider going long, keep tight stops. If you see weakness in the markets after the first 45 minutes, then you may simply avoid the market altogether or take a short position with lower volume. Now this is not very comfortable, but this is the way we should trade till the Nifty decides where it wants to go or what it wants to do. I hope you enjoyed these videos. Please share your comments. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.